Hi guys! Are you tired of Wi-Fi dead zones and dropped connection in your home or office? Now, long-range PoE Wi-Fi might just be the solution that you need. But dealing with the power and data issues can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. So today in this video, we will unravel the mysterious of power over Ethernet and provide you with a practical solution to extend your Wi-Fi coverage like a pro. And if you have any questions with your system, please feel free to contact us through the link down in the description box below. And our team of experts will provide a solution that tailors to your specific need. In our increasingly connected world, a robust and reliable Wi-Fi network is essential. Whether it's for seamless internet browsing, streaming content, or enabling smart devices, having a strong Wi-Fi connection is crucial. However, there are challenges, especially in large homes, offices, or outdoor spaces, where Wi-Fi signal may struggle to reach every corner. This limitation often leads to dead zone, hindering productivity, entertainment, and overall connectivity. So extending the Wi-Fi coverage becomes important, ensuring that every part of your space is well connected and accessible. One effective solution in this handover is the Power over Ethernet PoE technology, a game changer that not only extends Wi-Fi reach, but also enhances the efficiency of your network infrastructure. So Power over Ethernet is a technology that combines electrical power and data transmission into a single Ethernet cable. And this innovation simplifies installation by eliminating the requirement for separate power cables, streamlining the setup process for devices like IP cameras and Wi-Fi access point. Now, PoE operates through a power sourcing equipment named PSE and injecting power into the cable, while the powered devices called PD extract both power and data. And the advantages of PoE include simplified installation, reduced costs, and increased flexibility in device placement, making it an invaluable solution for efficient and convenient network deployments. So when choosing the right PoE wireless access point, it is essential to consider various types available in the market, especially those with long-range capabilities, to ensure optimal coverage and connectivity. PoE wireless access points come in different design, and each catering to specific needs and environment. We have standard PoE wireless access point. They're suitable for small to medium-sized spaces, offering decent coverage for typical office setup or homes. And also high-powered PoE wireless access point. They're designed to cover larger areas, such as warehouses, outdoor spaces, or campuses. And this wireless access point come with enhanced transmitting power, allowing them to reach devices situated at a considerable distance from the access point. A mesh PoE wireless access point creates interconnected network, forming a seamless mesh of coverage. These wireless access points are particularly useful for outdoor areas, large homes, or buildings with complex layout. Last but not least, we have outdoor PoE wireless access point. They're rugged and weather resistant, specifically designed to withstand the outdoor condition, and they're equipped with high-gain antennas and durable enclosure, making them suitable for outdoor spaces, park, stadiums, or industrial setting. And when emphasizing long-range capabilities, it is crucial to look for a PoE wireless access point with adjustable antennas, high transmission power, and capability with external antenna for further customization. Additionally, considering factors like the data transfer rate and security feature to ensure that the chosen PoE wireless access point meet the specific coverage need while providing a reliable and secure wireless network for users within the designated range. And when dealing with power and data issues in PoE wireless access point involves a comprehensive understanding of power requirement, PoE standard, calculation of power budget, troubleshooting power-related problems, and optimizing data transmission for efficient performance. Now, PoE wireless access point rely on the power supply through the Ethernet cable. We have IEEE 802.3 AF standard that can deliver up to 15.4 watts of power, which is suitable for standard devices. Also, IEEE 802.3 AT standard, also known as PoE Plus, it can provide up to 30 watts of power, catering to power-hungry devices. And last, we have the IEEE 802.3 BT standard, also known as the PoE Plus. It can deliver higher power level, reaching up to 90 watts, which is ideal for high performance and multiple functional devices. And calculating the power budget involves evaluating the total power requirement of connected PoE devices. By summing up the power needs of individual devices, you can determine the right PoE switch and injector that can deliver sufficient power to support all connected devices. And also choosing a PoE switch or PoE injector with a power budget that exceeding the total power requirement to ensure stable operation and prevent power-related issues. Common power-related problems in PoE setup include insufficient power supply and cable length limitation. Insufficient power can lead to device non-operation. To address this, upgrading to a higher power PoE standard devices across multiple PoE switches can resolve the issues. And also, network congestion and interference can impact the data transmission, leading to reduced performance. To optimize the data transfer, you can implement techniques like QoS, quality of service, to prioritize traffic, ensuring essential data packets receive preferential treatment. Additionally, minimizing interference sources such as physical obstacles and choosing optimal Wi-Fi channel can enhance the data transmission reliability. So PoE extenders are an invaluable solution for extending the Wi-Fi coverage over long distances, especially in the large homes, offices, or outdoor areas where traditional Wi-Fi signal might struggle to reach. PoE enabling seamless and extend Wi-Fi coverage without the limitation of standard wireless signal. PoE extenders amplify, extend, and retransmit the Ethernet signal, effectively broadening the Wi-Fi coverage range. And if you want to know how to set up and configure the PoE extender to enhance the Wi-Fi signal range effectively, here's a video that you can watch. That's pretty much about today's content. If you found this video helpful and informative, we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel FASTCABLING for more tech-related content. And by liking our videos, you show your support and help us reach a wider audience. And also, sharing our content allows others to benefit from the valuable information shared in this video. Subscribing ensuring that you stay updated with our latest videos, empowering you with the knowledge about the latest technologies and solutions in the tech world. And thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful content.